Cracked heels are a common foot problem experienced by many men and women. In most cases, the problem is merely a nuisance and unattractive to look at. However, when the cracks or fissures become deep, standing, walking, or any pressure placed on the heel can be painful. Here are some time-tested home remedies for cracked heels. Number 1. Lemon. The acidic properties of lemon removes the dead skin cells excellently to help you get a new, soft, and smooth skin in place of your cracked skin at heels. Soak your feet in a basin of warm water with the juice of 1 lemon for 20 minutes. Scrub your cracked heels using a pumice stone. Wash your feet and pat dry with a towel. Do it twice a week. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is often recommended for dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. It can help your skin retain moisture. Using coconut oil after a foot soak could be a good option. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make your cracked heels if they're prone to bleeding or infections. Number 3. Rose water and glycerine. The combination of glycerine and rose water can give you a smooth and soft heels without any cracks. Just mix equal parts of glycerine and rose water thoroughly and rub it on your heels and feet daily before going to bed at night. Number 4. Petroleum jelly. You can use petroleum jelly on dry, rough skin to prevent cracked heels and leave your feet soft and well moistured. Scrub the hard, dead skin around your feet after soaking them in warm water and then apply petroleum jelly over the entire heel area. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in petroleum jelly and then apply. Cover your feet with socks so that the petroleum jelly soaks into the skin. For best results, do this daily before going to bed.